The Amazon rainforest isn't just a jungle, it's a time machine. What if I told you it started as a swampy paradise 100 million years ago? It survived dinosaurs, outlived empires, and now creates 20% of the world's oxygen. But wait, did you know it's home to an ancient city network? Researchers found earthworks as old as the pyramids hidden beneath the canopy. Its biodiversity is mind-blowing. 1 in 10 known species lives here. Yet, it's vanishing fast, losing a football field every minute. Why? Because of logging and agriculture. Incredible, right? Imagine what mysteries could disappear forever. Want to uncover more secrets? Subscribe for more.